Unang-una sa lahat po, ukol po doon sa acknowledgement receipts. Pagdating po sa mga undated na nabanggit nyo naman at nasa report nyo naman, you would confirm na sumagot ang OVP pero hindi nyo niya inabutan ang sagot or meaning hindi nyo na alam kung sumagot man ng OVP doon sa notice of suspension.
Yes po, hindi ko naman naabutan yun.
So probably for another witness. Ngayon, doon sa unang sinabi po ng kagalang-galang na si Attorney Kapunan sa pagiging exempt, ni minsan ba humingi ang exemption sa inyo ang Vice Presidente sa audit ng kanyang confidential funds?
Ang humingi po ng, actually, meron nag-request po na kung pwedeng audit query na lang
Opo.
yung i-issue instead
Opo.
of AOM. So
But hindi
parang
po
exception
exemption.
po yun dun sa provision ng Joint Circular na AOM yung i-issue.
Ang exemption po yung tinatanong ko. Just an exemption on the audit itself. The conduct of the audit, meaning nag-submit po ba sila ng liquidation reports?
Yes po.
Nag-responde po ba sila sa AOM nyo?
Yes po, pero hindi pa rin po sila compliant dun sa requirements.
No, Your Honor, I'm not asking that. I'm just asking for, nag-submit ba sila? Did they respond to your AOMs?
Nag-submit pero hindi po full yung submission.
So they did not ignore your AOMs? At
Pero
least
hindi
kasi
pa rin
AOM
po
lang.
full submission yung ginawa nila.
The
Your Honor, not
question,
responsive to
Mr. Wamil, is did they submit a response? Whatever your evaluation of the response, complete or incomplete, is another matter.
Yes po, Your Honor. They submitted the response po dun sa AOM.
So they
That's all.
submitted a response.
That is all for recross, Your Honor. Again, Mr. Witness, thank you for your patience. Thank you. Papasalamat
With the
ko.
permission